Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Fortnite account on mobile step by step so you can start playing right away. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open any browser on your mobile device. You can use Chrome, Safari, or any browser you prefer for this process. Step 2. In the search bar, go to Fortnite.com. This is the official website where you can sign up for a new Fortnite account. Step 3. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the main menu of the site. Step 4. From the menu, select Sign In. Even though we're creating a new account, this is the first step to get started. Step 5. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the Sign In options and tap on Create Account. This is where you begin the actual sign up process. Step 6. When asked if you already play Fortnite, tap on No. Then select your date of birth and tap Continue. Your birth date helps Fortnite set up your account correctly. Step 7. Now enter your country and your email address. Make sure your email is active because you'll need it to verify your account. Step 8. Type in your first name and last name. This information is used for your profile setup. Step 9. Choose a display name. This is the name other players will see, so pick something fun and unique. Step 10. Enter a strong password for your account. Try to include letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Step 11. Once everything is filled out, tap on Continue. This will send a verification code to your email. Step 12. Open your email inbox and look for the message from Fortnite. You should see a code inside. Step 13. Enter the verification code on the website and tap on Verify Email. That's it. Your Fortnite account has now been created. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful guides.